level? Which level? How far be for your end? Welcome again to my channel. Today, Minister of Preaching the Day house. And you get one matter I want a more reason. And that matter they call names. For this life, everybody get name. I get name, you get name. And different people get how they determine the kind of name where they want to give their pikin. They get how they go look, say, okay, now this name we go give, or now that name we go give. And this name giving of a thing is different from people to people. The way we say black people say they give their pikin name, not the same way where white people say they give their pikin name. And again, one question why do they ask myself since I never forget the answer. The question be say the name where they give person, if you say they get effect on the person, if you say name fit influence person life positively or negatively. Some people say name not get effect on person life, so not just name. Make them feel get what they go to they identify you. Make them not for they call you boy or you girl, you man or you woman. Then some people say na lie, you say name if they affect person life. Say the name say they answer if it influence your life positively or negatively. For me, I don't really get answer because I don't hear people they call patients who not get patients. Where to not they wealthy. Christian when they go church. Then I don't see here people they call all those kind of name when we say the name somehow. It be like say if they work to favor those people. But that one now call bring me to my name. I don't say most of them I don't say my name now Omena. But not be that name now the answer since when my papa and my mama born me. When they born me, they say give me one English name where they call Linda. So I Linda now the answer until I finish primary school, I can't enter secondary school. When I did secondary school that time, all these Igbo men they call Kongo, they say that they sell book where get English name and the meaning. And that time for our area, almost every house get at least one of that book. Some people even get two. So that they look the English name for this book, they'll go look for the other book, whether or not the same. And that's how we call find that say Linda, it means serpent or snake for English. And then while I call boss, so once I go school like this, Linda the snake, Linda the serpent, and not the rest. To come make matter worse, my surname can go be Whiskey. And for worry that time, anybody will buy dog. Either the dog name na Bingo or the dog name na Whiskey. So I call on to Linda the snake, daughter of Whiskey the dog. It could be like say I come from animal kingdom. But when the one are too much and one that don't reach and tell my mother and my palace say, I beg this name. When they call Linda, I don't want answer them again. They say what happen. I say the one for school, it's too much. I can't even answer say wait to. Wait till make una give me Linda. Because for my house that time, everybody, all my brothers and my sisters, now tribal name that they answer. Why is it only me call they answer English name? My mama say when they born me, I live. I don't say I still live small courage now. But not be that one, I mean they give me Linda. My papa say that time, he get one musician who say in they like the woman's song where the woman name na Linda Ronstadt. I know that I call the name where. He say now because of it, they like the woman's song, I make her give me Linda. Now I don't grow up beside even sabi sing anything. And the name now, they say it means snake. Now I tell my papa and my mama say, thank you now very well, but as it be now, I need to change this name. Now they go say, okay, when I reach Jesestiri, when I write Jesestiri, I make her put my tribal name will be Omena, so that when I enter SS, I will change her to Omena. But in tomorrow, my party they call me Linda. He say now that name, 9 days. Some of my aunties said they say they call me Linda. At that time, a lot of parents got they very careful the kind English name that they give their pikin. Maybe they not give pikin English name. At the end of the day, it not get better meaning. Then when I come enter university, I come find that say some of all my classmates that time when they spread like virus, they call me Linda the serpent, Linda the snake. When they answer tribal name, they don't change their name to English name. Akpos don't turn to Sonia, Bimbo don't turn to Princess, Nkechi don't turn to Cynthia. See, make I tell now, I see the beef now. Because una make me change my sweet Linda to Omena. Omena sweet too, but not sweet rich Linda. Then fast forward till now. The kind name which say some papa and mama they give their pikin now, me I don't understand. If you don't give your pikin tribal name, nobody they beef you. But the kind English name when they give your pikin, I better make sure say na better English name. Because me I don't understand how person go just day. Think say the kind name when you want to give your pikin na revelation, sanctification, purification, justification, redemption, exaltation, miraculous, determination. I don't understand all those kind of names. I'm not saying you be Christian, but look for some kind of Christian name, give your pikin. Name like peace, joy, love, mercy, favor. Because all those kind of things now we need for the world right now. Not be justification. You don't get what you want justify for this world. Don't say be like this so. Or you say that revelation. See, the one who see it don't reach. We don't need anybody to reveal anything for us again. Because when you give your pikin some kind name, when the pikin grow, the pikin go dey vex for you. Say, why you give her that kind name? So all those kind name, I beg, they're not join. More try give our pikin the better name. If you don't already give your pikin that kind name, we forgive you. We hope so when your pikin grow, it will still forgive you. But if you never give your pikin that name, you dey think of those kind names to give your pikin. See, I beg, see that make you change and find better name, peace and love kind of name. Give your pikin. And the name matter what say, make a drop today be that too. You feel say name when person they answer, they really they affect how the person life go, or you know they affect. Let us know what you think. Thank you very much for watching our video. If you enjoy it, don't forget to give us the like button. And you will never subscribe. Yes, you know yourself. See, click the subscribe button. Help my ministry and make you move forward. Now later things be that. Bye bye.